How to post on your Snapchat using the spotlight for the very first time. It's very simple. Here you have access to the spotlight at the base of the screen here. Then you tap on the profile icon here. Then you also have access to the spotlight. So tap on it to reach million of Snapchatter. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you have different options here. You have post archives, you have memory, then you have camera roll. Now under camera roll, because I'm using for the very first time, enable access. Tap on enable button. Then profile your screen, then tap on full access or limited. So let me allow full access. Doing that, guys, you can say I have full access to this. So I want to post from what I have here on my camera roll. So let me locate one of the picture here and post it on my camera roll. So let me post this one, then tap on next. So tap on next. Then you can say that posting as a Jasper, then tap on post. We've been able to post on our spotlight on Snapchat. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.